As per the Constitution and as per the rules of this House, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the Parliament. Collectively, not individually.
Yes, agreed.
Now it's a collective responsibility of the Cabinet, and the head of the Cabinet is the Prime Minister of the Republic of India. So on 4th of May, under Rule 176, this House discussed a matter on a motion that was brought by the ruling party on the Augusta-Westland helicopter purchase issue. In reply to the discussion, the Defence Minister, Shri Manohar Parrikar, made a detailed statement where he referred to the information available with the Government of India, also the judgment which has been quoted, where some
It's all on
references
record.
to some names is there.
This
Allow
is
me,
all
sir.
on record.
Sir, we asked then, demanded from the government that certified and authenticated copies of the judgment should be tabled in the House, number one. Number two, the Defence Minister never in his statement in this House, I'm not concerned though he repeated the same in the other House, ever mentioned that there is any naming or indicting of the leaders of the previous government or of the Congress party to have received any payoffs or kickbacks. Now that is the statement of the Raksha Mantri, and he assured the House that we will have a fair probe when we demanded it should be Supreme Court monitored.
Okay.
Now sir, allow me sir, I just conclude. Now sir, we have this situation that the Parliament is in session. Now there is tradition, practice, time honored, that if the Prime Minister had to differ from his minister, he should have made the statement on the floor of the House, number one. On the floor of the House, and given reasons why he is disagreeing. Number two, it's equally important, sir, that we all want that there should be a fair probe, but at the same time, Prime Minister of India is the executive head of the government, and the chief of the CBI reports to the Prime Minister. How can he preempt an inquiry and say something which has not been said by a court of a foreign country whose order or judgment, first they did not join in the appeal, then until today, this government has not tabled a certified and authenticated copy of the so-called judgment which was quoted extensively by the Raksha Mantri, and then the Defence Minister stands contradicted by his Prime Minister. Only the Prime Minister can come before this House. Either he should say Defence Minister was right or retract this statement.
No, but remember.
No, sir, this is the dignity of this House.
No.
And
Listen.
sir, the sanctity of the Constitution about the collective responsibility. Are you holding them jointly responsible or severally responsible
of course.
to this
All right,
House?
I can understand.
You cannot say that
Parrikar
as Raksha
I can
Mantri
understand.
is separately responsible and Prime Minister is not responsible.
Anand Sharmaji. Okay, you made your point.
Sir.
Now I can understand Anand Sharmaji.
No, sir. We want a ruling on that.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Is the
saying.
Defence Minister
It comes when the question of a policy comes.
Or is he part of the cabinet?
It is not on a speech.
Deputy General, sir.
It is regarding a speech made outside the Parliament.
Deputy General. Sir, Honorable
Nakviji. I have told Nakviji. Let me listen. I will after that. After Nakvi I will call you.
Oh, 1 minute. Honorable Anand Sharma
After Nakvi I will call you. After Nakvi I will call you.
Yes. Honorable Anand Sharma जी ने सुबह भी ये इशू उठाया था. सुबह भी हम लोगों ने एक ही बात कही थी कि ऑनरेबल डिफेंस मिनिस्टर
आपको कुछ बोलना है तो
जो है
आपको कुछ बोलना है तो अवसर मिलेगा.
अगस्ता घूस
आपको बोलना है तो अवसर मिलेगा. बैठिए.
बताइए.
You asked me, not him.
हाँ, ये बात है कि ऑनरेबल डिफेंस मिनिस्टर के स्टेटमेंट के बाद हाउस में बिचौलियों की बेचैनी और जिन लोगों ने घूस लिया है, जिन्होंने दलाली ली है, उनमें दहशत जरूर है. इसमें मैं कांग्रेस का नाम नहीं ले रहा हूँ. अब सवाल यहाँ ये पैदा होता है, हम करप्शन की बात करते हैं, ये हमारे ऊपर नाराज हो जाते हैं. हम जो है वो स्कैम की बात करते हैं. सवाल ये आता है कि ये भी चाहते हैं, ये भी चाहते हैं, हम भी चाहते हैं कि जो करप्शन उसको पकड़ा जाए, जिसने बेईमानी की है उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो. बार बार इस हाउस में कहा गया और ये भी कहा गया कि इसमें जो है वो बेईमानी हुई है, ये बात कही गई बहुत साफ साफ। अब प्रधानमंत्री जो है वो माफी मांगे, किस बात के लिए माफी मांगे? वो बेईमानों को जेल भेजना चाहते हैं, वो भ्रष्टाचार को रोकना चाहते हैं, वो घोटालों का खात्मा करना चाहते हैं, वो एक भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त भारत चाहते हैं और विकास युक्त भारत चाहते हैं। इसके लिए कहते हैं माफी मांगे। किस लिए माफी मांगे? माफी इसलिए मांगे कि वो देश का विकास चाहते हैं, माफी इसलिए मांगे कि वो देश के गरीबों, देश के कमजोर तत्वों, देश के अल्पसंख्यकों, देश के दलितों तक विकास की रोशनी पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, इसलिए माफी मांगे। वो क्या गुनाह किया उन्होंने? गुनाह उन्होंने किया है और हमसे माफी मांगने की बात हो रही है।
मुझे लगता है आपको अपने लोगों से नाम पूछ लेना चाहिए मैडम। उसमें जो दस्तावेज जो आज पूरे टीवी चैनल्स पर देखने को मिलता है कि किन किन लोगों को पैसा दिया गया, कौन कौन अधिकारी थे, कौन पॉलिटिकल लोग थे, कौन फैमिली थी, तो किसकी फैमिली का नाम बार बार आता है, मैं इस पर चर्चा